So please follow me on BIGO. Twinkle Chaves. Say hello, guys. Ano may padede?
Lo, tingin-tingin mo dyan.
Guys, commercial. This is from Notorious and it's actually really nice. They sell caramelized peanuts, cashews, macadamias, so should buy. Today we're gonna go to Cheep store. Cheep store has a lot of cheap stuff. That's why it's cheap, but they spell like this CHEEP store. They just opened their branch here in Sydney. And so I've seen it on TikTok and I've seen the crazy line and I wanted to know what the hype all about. We're gonna find out and why it's this store, very popular. It's near H&M. Go to the corner over here. Hopefully the line won't be too long. I heard that people line up like 1 hour, 2 hours just to actually shop in the store. So it's pretty hype. Are you guys ready? Dun, dun, dun. Where is it? Okay, here. I think there's no line today. It's a Tuesday. Okay, there are only 3 people waiting in say that I'm just so proud of myself for not buying anything but this one. For me, it's a hype. Actually, cheap. It is cheap, but like, so we're here in H&M. Wala nabili doon. Dito na lang. Okay guys, so verdict for the cheap store. It's hype too much. Like if you're into vintage, classic stuff like that, the prices there ranges from $6 to $30. Very reasonable, especially in Australia. It's not for me, I think. I did smell like 90s back there. It's like what I wore before. If you want something like that, maybe just go to op shops like Venus, Red Cross, or just ask your parents. They just altered the old clothes because you can smell. Not all of them recycled. I stayed there for like 30 minutes and good thing that time There was no line. Because I wouldn't recommend some people line for 2 hours to shop in that store. It's a quick fix. It's a fast fashion. Maybe like something you can use for a few days, weeks, I don't know, months. Oh my gosh, Beyonce. Anyway, going back. Honestly, it's okay. I'm happy with my purchase. $10. Not bad, no? So we're going to shop in other places because apparently I wasn't so happy with Cheep store. I mean, it's cheap and all, but it's just not my vibe, you know? It's not my style. You know, for other market, they would really enjoy. Maybe it's just because, you know, I'm just old. It's not for me anymore. Oh, by the way, there's a light rail already. Finally, it's not free comparing to Melbourne. I wanted to go to Paddy's Market, but they're not open. Tuesday today, so they're only open from Wednesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. But I think the shops upstairs are open. It's like a mall. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Oh, diba? My coat. I bought this for $20 in Ali. It's in Haymarket, Market City. I hope you enjoyed my vlog today, and I'm very successful because I did not buy anything. It's just this one. Aren't you proud of me? I made it. So guys, thank you so much for watching.